You want to know a secret about copywriting? Yes, copywriting is the most lucrative form of freelance writing, generally speaking. There will be freelance writers that will work for years to get to the point where they can be a copywriter and make all that good copywriting money. But here's the secret. You, right now, whoever you are, whether you're a freelance writer, whether you're not, whoever you are already a copywriter. And if you understand that and you embrace it, that might be the most valuable lesson you learn this year. Why? Let's talk about it. Simply put, the most valuable skill I think I've ever learned in life is copywriting. All copywriting is being persuasive with your words. Anything you are doing where you are trying to convince somebody else of something, that is copywriting. And that is exactly the reason why you are already a copywriter. Have you ever sent a text message to a friend trying to get them to do something? Copywriting. Have you ever sent an email to a friend or to a boss or to a coworker trying to get them to do something? Copywriting. Anytime you're trying to get someone to take an action or do something or see things your way, that is a form of copywriting. And so a lot of people say, it's like, yeah, man, I'd love to get to the point where I'm a copywriter, where I could be making those big copywriting bucks. But the reality is you're already doing it on a daily basis. If you just want to be a bare bones minimum freelance content writer, what are you going to have to do to get those jobs? You're going to have to send a whole bunch of cold emails. You're going to have to send a whole bunch of LOIs, letters of introduction, introducing yourself, building relationships out of thin air, and trying to turn those people into clients. Well, what are those emails? You're trying to be persuasive enough to get someone to respond. That is copywriting. If you build a portfolio website where you've got an about page, where you've got some of your samples, where you're trying to put your best face forward so a potential client might look at that and be like, hey, I like that guy, I want to hire him. Copywriting. So despite the fact we are all copywriting every single day, very few of us actually resonate with the idea of being a copywriter. So what if you made that switch? What if you embrace that identity of being a copywriter and you spent just a little bit of time trying to get better at it? What would that look like? And what could that do to your life and to your business? Chances are it's going to lead to more clients. Chances are it's going to lead to more money. And it's definitely going to lead to more confidence. Because if you know what you want and you can speak to that and you can articulate that to another person, that is going to make you feel more comfortable with putting yourself out there, which is only going to lead to more beneficial things for your business. So how do you build this into your day-to-day life and get better at it? Well, just being aware of it for one thing. There's comments below this video. What if you left a comment where you were trying to convince somebody of your way of thinking? What if you left a comment where you wanted people to come check out your own channel? So how do you provide value or seem interesting enough to get a total stranger to want to click on your username and go see what your channel is all about? If you're trying to get my attention, how do you write something that's going to pique my curiosity? How are you going to get me excited? How are you going to get me to want to respond to you? And how do you do that in an authentic way that doesn't make me feel like it's a copywriting exercise? That's the trick. That's the practice. Where if you can practice this in your day-to-day life, where you're using it in real situations with friends, family members, coworkers, where it doesn't seem like you're coming across as a schemy copywriter, that's the magic, because if you can learn how to be persuasive in a personal way that does not come across as salesy, then you have basically got the keys to the castle. That is the end game. If you can do that, you are going to be fine in life. But it takes work. It takes practice. And more importantly, it takes acknowledging that that is what you're doing. So I don't want to put everything out there and be like, yeah, with everything you do, you should be selling people or whatever. You should be more salesy. But the reality is we are always trying to get people to see things our way. We're trying to get people to take actions we would like to take. We're trying to work out compromises where there's maybe win-win scenarios. And all of that comes down to copywriting and your ability to tell a story, your ability to be persuasive, your ability to articulate what you want someone to understand. So the lesson here today is you don't have to wait years to become a successful copywriter. You are already doing it, so you might as well practice it a little bit. And once you're consciously practicing it, you'll start consciously noticing yourself getting better. And then from there, you'll consciously be able to start doing it for other people, which in turn can help grow your business, help make money, and lead you down potentially a whole new career path. So if you're a freelance writer, if you're starting an online business, if you're just someone that wants to connect with more people, think about the fact you are now already a copywriter and how you can start improving those skills daily. With that, my name's Sean Ogle. I'm the founder of this thing here at Location Rebel, where we teach you how to make money on the internet with your words. If you want to do that, if you would like to build a successful online business using your words, then go click the link below. I've got a 6-day course where we walk you through everything you need to know. I spell out exactly how to build a sustainable business on the internet with your writing this year. So I think you're gonna find that really valuable. And in the meantime, go drop a comment, try and be persuasive. Let's see what you can come up with. And hit the subscribe button. That also is a good idea. With that, hope you have an excellent day. See you on the next video. Peace.